everyone, I'm Diane living in New Mexico. Welcome to my channel. Almost every morning, I let them out, feel the fresh air in the morning. Fluffy. I did not have any plan to adopt a dog since my two dogs had passed away several years ago. But one day after I moved here, New Mexico, I was browsing the internet and somehow clicked on the shelter in my area, and this girl caught my eye.
Stop. Fluffy. 갑자기 도망가고 있어. Fluffy. Fluffy.
After playing with Fluffy, I got starved, so I'm having 육개장, spicy beef stew, I would say. It delivered bunch of Korean food that I ordered online. One day delivery. I still don't feel like wanna cook in this kitchen. It's not excuse, guys. Please.
I'll let you out. Hiya. Oh. Okay. We're out. Hi, Rocky. I love you, Rocky.
I've heard many times that cats don't like water, but Rocky seems to be interested in it, isn't it? I thought this thing goes and water the pool. I almost drained all the water in the pool.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Plug it.
Let's see how it works. Coming out?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, I can hear. Yeah, it works good. Oh, not this one. Yo, yeah, coming out. Good. It's kind of work.
Fluffy, are you Fluffy? Hey, she's scared. Oh, 이저리 아저씨. 이제 도구?
Hi everyone, I just scheduled my video about my Fluffy. I don't know how many of you guys interested in my dog Fluffy, so I'm not sure, but I just want to introduce my dog Fluffy to you. That video is gonna be all about my dog Fluffy, so if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to watch it, but please watch it. She's our new family member. So the Rocky and Fluffy still not get along well. So that's okay. Eventually they're gonna be good friends. It takes time, so that's okay. But Rocky's still not comfortable around her. So sometimes I let them play together. Let them play? Yeah, I wish. And I just leave them separate. Yeah, everything's good. Oh, and the other day we got invited from our neighbor. They're so nice people. It has been a while socializing, so I was really nervous, but they're really good people. And some other neighbors came to their home and we had hamburgers, and he has so many pets. I don't know, I can't say pet or animals. He has 2 goats, a bunch of chickens, and 2 giant dogs. They're really good dogs. They didn't bark a lot or try to bite. Yeah, I think our all neighbor around us, they have dog, at least 2. And they all giant dog. Not just, oh, it's bitchy, cute lap dogs. No, they're not. They're really huge, like a baby bear cubbies.
my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was kind of surprised to see these because I didn't expect to see the animals hanging on the wall. I'm not a big fan of hunting.
It's starting to grow back.
Oh my goodness.
You can feed them.
Oh my goodness.
Why are you treating this like a museum?
Huh?
You're treating it like a museum.
Oh my goodness.
But it died.
Museum you cannot touch. You know?
Can I touch?
Oh my goodness. That's a real?
Oh my,
My
oh.
goodness. Hey! Hi! 그만 먹어. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. This is so big. We're gonna do fireworks tonight. This is the first time since we bought that fireworks. We haven't used it. Hmm? Taking so long. 아 따가워.
You should light one, Mom.
What?
You should light one.
Woo! That's it?
There's a couple more.
Here, Jacob.
Here, come on, Mom.
싫어.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Why not?
I'm scared.